Lupane, Zimbabwe, finds itself grappling with a palpable sense of unease as a sudden influx of military personnel has gripped the region. The sight of armed soldiers patrolling the streets, once unfamiliar, has now become a cause for concern. Residents, accustomed to the rhythms of rural life, are now wrestling with a whirlwind of questions. The deployment, swift and unexplained, has fueled a wave of speculation and anxiety. The silence from government officials has only amplified the growing sense of apprehension. Local shops have reported a surge in essential goods as families brace themselves for potential unrest. The once vibrant marketplace now stands subdued, a testament to the unease that has permeated the community. The sudden military presence has stirred uncomfortable memories for many, harking back to periods of political instability in the nation's past. The lack of clear communication from authorities has done little to quell the disquiet, leaving residents to grapple with their own interpretations of the unfolding events. The year 2017 remains etched in the collective memory of Zimbabweans. It was a time when tanks rolled through the streets of Harare, signaling the end of Robert Mugabe's decades-long rule. The coup, while largely bloodless, left an indelible mark on the nation's psyche. The recent military presence in Lupane, though smaller in scale, has inevitably drawn parallels to the events of 2017. The similarities, however superficial, have reignited dormant anxieties. Social media platforms have become awash with rumors and speculation, further fueling the sense of uncertainty. The government's silence in the initial days following the deployment only served to exacerbate the situation. The lack of a clear and timely explanation allowed fear and speculation to take root. This hesitancy to address public concerns has unfortunately cast a long shadow over the current situation. "We are afraid," confides Mandlovu, an elderly woman selling vegetables by the roadside. Her weathered face, a testament to a life lived through numerous political upheavals, reflects a deep-seated concern. "We have seen this before. Soldiers in our streets never bring anything good." Her sentiments are echoed by others in Lupane. "Why are they here? What are they planning?" questions a young man, his voice laced with anxiety. The lack of clear communication from authorities has left a void, readily filled by rumors and speculation. The fear is palpable, but so is the skepticism. Many residents view the sudden military presence with suspicion, interpreting it as a sign of political maneuvering rather than a genuine security measure. Trust in authorities, already fragile, has been further eroded by the lack of transparency. Section 4. A reassuring narrative, the Army's take on the situation. Days after the initial deployment, the Zimbabwe National Army, or ZNA, broke its silence. Colonel Alpheus Makatore, speaking on behalf of the Army, dismissed rumors of a coup as baseless and malicious. He categorized the military presence in Lupane as part of a routine training exercise, emphasizing the Army's commitment to upholding peace and stability. "The ZNA wishes to assure the nation that there is no need for alarm," Colonel Makatore stated categorically. He urged citizens to disregard the rumors, emphasizing that the Army remained subordinate to civilian authority. The official statement, while seeking to reassure, has done little to quell the unease. The timing of the deployment, coinciding with heightened political tensions ahead of the 2025 elections, has fueled skepticism. Section 5. Between reassurance and doubt. The public remains unconvinced. Despite the official statement, doubts linger in the minds of many. "Training exercise? At this time so close to the elections?" scoffs a local shopkeeper, his tone laced with disbelief. "We are not fools. We see what is happening." The skepticism is understandable. Zimbabwe has a long and troubled history with military intervention in politics. The events of 2017, though presented as a corrective measure, are still fresh in the minds of many. The lack of specific details about the training exercise has also done little to inspire confidence. The duration, the units involved, and the specific objectives all remain shrouded in secrecy, further fueling the rumor mill. Section 6. The imperative of transparency. A call for open dialogue. The situation in Lupane underscores the fragility of peace and the importance of transparency in maintaining public trust. The government's initial silence and the subsequent lack of detailed information have only served to heighten anxieties. Moving forward, it is imperative for authorities to prioritize open and honest communication. Clear, timely, and comprehensive information is crucial to dispel rumors and foster a sense of security. The events in Lupane serve as a stark reminder that trust, once eroded, is difficult to rebuild. A genuine commitment to transparency and open dialogue is essential to preventing the escalation of fear and speculation. The people of Zimbabwe deserve nothing less.